Mastering on-page SEO and schema markup. In the digital age, having a robust online presence is essential for businesses of all sizes. Search engine optimization is a critical component of any successful digital marketing strategy. It enables businesses to improve their visibility in search engine results pages, attract more traffic, and ultimately increase sales and revenue. What is on-page SEO? On-page SEO refers to optimizing the elements on a web page to enhance its relevance and authority for search engines. Key components include headings, body content, metadata, and internal links. It's typically easiest to implement on-page optimization while the site is being built. Waiting until later can lead to a cumbersome process that may introduce errors. Experienced online marketing companies often execute this technical SEO strategy effectively. On-page SEO plays a vital role in improving search engine rankings, helping search engines understand the various content sections on your page and their relevance to user queries. Understanding schema markup. The second part of the equation is schema markup. This is a type of code added to a web page that assists search engines in decoding the content. Just like on-page SEO, schema markup implementation is best handled during the site's development phase. Later adjustments can be time-consuming and costly, especially if you don't have an advanced front-end editor. By integrating both on-page SEO and schema markup, businesses can create a synergy that propels their rankings higher in search engine results. Importance of on-page SEO and conducting audits. Performing regular site audits is crucial. They enable you to measure the effectiveness of changes made to your website. Be cautious, as many free tools available online may not provide daily updates. For the most accurate audits, reaching out directly for a free SEO site audit is a wise choice. The elements of on-page optimization. There are several crucial elements to consider when optimizing for on-page SEO. Headings. Headings are vital for structuring your content. Using tags from H1 to H6 helps search engines understand your content hierarchy. For instance, using an H1 header for the primary page title allows you to break down sections using H2 tags for subcategories. Incorporating descriptive headings with relevant keywords can significantly improve your search engine page rankings. Content quality. High-quality content is king. Ensure that the material on your page is relevant, informative, and engaging for the audience. A well-written piece not only attracts readers, but also encourages them to share, enhancing visibility. Meta tags, especially the meta description, help improve click-through rates. A brief, compelling summary included in your meta tag can entice users to click on your page in SERPs. Internal linking. Linking to other relevant pages within your website boosts connectivity and helps search engines crawl your site more effectively. This practice can improve the overall SEO performance. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering on-page SEO and schema markup can tremendously benefit your business's online visibility. By focusing on these optimization techniques, you're more likely to attract and retain users. Thereby, need help growing your online visibility? Visit innovatemedia.ca.